Hi, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of Barbecue Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to talk you through the Flaming Coals Argentinian Parrilla BBQ range. So why should you own a Parrilla? Besides the fact that they look pretty cool, they offer the ultimate heat control. The crank wheel on the side allows you to raise and lower the grill above the heat source, which is perfect depending on what kind of different cuts of meat you're cooking. They also have the V-shaped grill, which channels the fat away from the meat, stops it dripping on the fire, it catches it, and then you can use those drippings to baste the meat throughout the cook. As part of the Flaming Coals range, as you can see behind me, there's a couple of different models. Both models are available in two different sizes. We have 61 centimeters in length, or we have the 88 centimeter in length. So there's 4 models in total. So let's start with talking about the similarities between all 4 models. They all have the same side crank wheel, which means that you've got that ultimate height adjustability. They all come with the same V-grill. The smaller of the 2 models have 2 panels. The larger model has 3 panels, which are also removable. While the lengths vary, the widths are the same at 55 centimeters. And both frames are made from stainless steel. Now let's get into some of the differences between the 2 styles. The Deluxe model is fully lined with firebricks, which is going to allow for better heat retention. The original model, while it doesn't have the firebricks, it does have a removable charcoal pan to increase the longevity and make cleaning up a little easier. The Deluxe model also comes complete with side shelves, perfect for you to put your thermometers, your tongs, all your other barbecue knickknacks. You can also add some hooks onto the side shelves to be able to hang your barbecue tools. The Deluxe model also has a bottom shelf, which if you're not going to be moving your Parrilla around, you can use that for wood storage. And finally, the Deluxe model also comes with a rotisserie function, which is capable of turning up to 10 kilos of meat. In our Deluxe range, we also have our double Parrilla, which has 2 cooking areas and the Brasero in the middle. It doesn't come with the rotisserie option, but you can add it on if you like. If you have any other questions about the Flaming Coals Argentinian Parrilla BBQ range, feel free to reach out to us, give us a call, check out the compare function on the website, or head on in store.